Welcome to Bike Buzz, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of Harley Davidson's most iconic and beloved models, the 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy. With its legendary design, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, this bike continues to make waves in the cruiser market. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Fatboy a must-have for enthusiasts and riders alike. Bold design and iconic styling. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy stays true to its heritage with that unmistakable muscular look, featuring the iconic solid disc wheels and a robust stance that screams power. The bike's front fork and fat tires enhance its dominant appearance, while the newly revamped headlamp and signature LED lighting system give it a more modern, aggressive edge. The bodywork is sleek, and the bike maintains the timeless appeal that Harley Davidson fans have come to love, blending classic elements with fresh design updates. Powerful performance and engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Fatboy packs a punch with the Milwaukee 8 114 engine. This powerhouse offers riders a massive 114 cubic inches of torque and performance, ensuring plenty of acceleration and power on any road. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on long-haul journeys, this engine delivers smooth, responsive performance with a robust exhaust note that adds to the riding experience. The updated suspension system also improves handling, ensuring a comfortable yet thrilling ride. Advanced technology features. Incorporating modern technology without sacrificing the raw, classic Harley feel, the 2025 Fatboy comes equipped with the latest in rider assistance features. The bike includes the Reflex Defensive Rider Systems, RDRS, which provides a combination of traction control, cornering, enhanced ABS, and an electronic throttle control system. These features not only enhance safety but also ensure a more controlled and confident ride, especially for those tackling challenging weather or road conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. When it comes to comfort, Harley Davidson doesn't cut corners. The 2025 Fatboy is designed with ergonomics in mind, offering an adjustable riding position that suits a wide range of riders. The wide, comfortable seat ensures that longer rides don't feel like a chore, while the bike's low-slung profile gives it an easy-to-handle stance that adds to its overall appeal. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to cruising, the Fatboy offers a perfect balance of comfort and control. Inclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy is a perfect blend of iconic design, powerful performance, and modern technology. Whether you're looking to turn heads or simply enjoy the open road in style, this bike delivers on all fronts. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of freedom, power, and the Harley Davidson legacy. So if you're ready to experience the ride of a lifetime, the 2025 Fatboy might just be the bike for you. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin'. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe and stay buzzin'.